and that's why you should work for Conwy. If you fancy a challenge, if you want to learn new skills, take full opportunity on the training that's on offer. That's what I would really do. I think also as well, this job makes you reflect about your own well-being. One thing that I've learned is you've got to really invest in yourself. So one of the things is we're on flexi working time, and certainly I use that time to plan my diary, but also as well really ring fence that time so I have a bit of fun to keep my head above water and to enjoy life. My experience of working with Conwy is really positive. I've made some really good working relationship with other professionals. People just seem really, really friendly. Part of my job is actually working on people's strengths, but it's nice that when you are being managed as well, managers do rely and really tease out your strengths too. So I would say it's a really nurturing, supportive and just really warm environment, and that's why you should work for Conwy.
Ymunwch â thîm Conwy. Conwy.gov.uk/swyddi